Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. We're answering the tough questions like, can I make an awesome holiday meal using the Typhur Sync Air Fryer? And what did the doctor tell the gingerbread man to do with his sore knee? That second one's easy. Ice it. I want to thank Typhur for sponsoring this video and sending me this little unit. I've been cooking with it and I've been liking it. And today we are going to make an awesome holiday meal, but it's going to be something a little unconventional. And it might make some people angry. Let me get it. This is a 3.5 pound picanha. It is an amazing cut of beef. Most of the time you'll find these in Brazilian steakhouses. They're served as steaks, and they're really just done with either salt or salt and pepper. That is the traditional way to do it. I am not going to be traditional. I'm going to do something very different. We're gonna make some pinwheels. To do that, we're gonna have to butterfly this open. I'm sorry, Brazilians. This is a little bit too much fat. So we're gonna just trim this down a little bit to get it a little bit more manageable. I said we are making pinwheels, so we need to open this sucker up like a book. Kind of go in about, try to get about in half, and just saw it in half. Don't cut all the way through it though. This is gonna let us get seasoning in here, and when we roll it, it'll be like a nice little pinwheel presentation. For seasoning, first thing I'm gonna do is hit it up with some kosher salt. Pretty decent size of meat, so we'll hit it up nice like that. Hit up the other side. And we're gonna let this set aside until we finish making our herb butter. I'm gonna make a double batch of this just because I wanna have a lot of it on hand. So 2 sticks of butter, and I'm gonna soften them a little bit in the microwave. I have some herbs. I have rosemary, sage, and thyme. Rosemary, sage, decent amount of thyme. And last but not least, garlic. Now all you need to do is put it in your butter. This is unsalted butter, so I'm going to add a pinch of salt, garlic herb butter. In the time it took us to do that, salt has all penetrated and absorbed into this picanha. What are we gonna do? We're gonna add butter. And spread. At this point, we can add some more seasoning. We're gonna add some black pepper and some dad dust. This is 50% granulated garlic, 50% granulated onion, a splash of MSG. I use it in just about all my recipes. I love it. There you go. Now, we are gonna roll this like so, and we're gonna tie it with some butcher's twine. And what we have here is a pretty little meat package. Let's season the outside a little bit. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of the dad dust. And then to help our exterior, I'm gonna spray it with some Wagyu beef tallow. This stuff is great. This is just gonna help add an extra layer of flavor. This is the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. It has a particular feature built in that is gonna really help with this. It is this wireless meat thermometer. This thing syncs with the unit, hence the name, and it will give us the exact temperature that we want on our roast, which is going to be perfect. What temperature is that? We're gonna cook this to 118 degrees Fahrenheit so we can hit a perfect medium rare. You might be saying, 118, that's not medium rare. Well, we wanna give ourselves some room because after that, we're gonna kick this thing up for a super high hot sear. Let's go ahead and set this cook up. To do that, I'm gonna use the Typhur app. We're gonna go to our Typhur Sync. We're gonna click probe. It wants us to unplug the probe, which we will do. Set the probe mode. We're gonna go beef. I'm gonna take the probe and I'm gonna insert it here on the top section so that I can kind of get it right into the middle of this guy. And then I'm gonna change it from medium to rare. Set my roasting temperature. I'm gonna do this super low. We're gonna roast it at 250. We want it to really kind of render that fat and just kind of slowly come up to temp. It's kind of like a reverse sear. Start. Okay. We're gonna open our drawer. I'm leaving the air fry thing in there. I've got the roast in there sideways so the probe will fit and not hit the top. All right, we're gonna insert our drawer. So, and hit start. And now we just wait. This is gonna tell us everything we need to know. In a little while, it's gonna tell us the remaining time that it thinks it's gonna take to get up to temp. Right now, that roast is at about 49 degrees Fahrenheit, and the unit is coming up to temp. See in a little bit. Because you can't just have beef We're gonna make some potatoes to go with it. Also done in here later. It's about 3 pounds of honey gold potatoes, the little small ones, and I'm just gonna cut them in half. All chopped up. To this, you're gonna add some olive oil, enough to coat it. I happen to have a garlic infused olive oil that I made, so I'm gonna use that. A little bit of salt, a little bit of dad dust, and some fresh herbs. And then we're just gonna, and those are ready for later. The app is now telling me that we have 41 minutes remaining of cook time. We're currently at about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'll see you in about 40 minutes. And that's it. I just got my notification that it's done. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks wonderful just like this, even without the high heat. I'm gonna take all of this. And guess what? All of that rendered beef fat is going on our potatoes. We're gonna turn this bad boy back on, air fry. Our temperature, we're going to 450, and we're gonna do it for maybe 8 minutes. Let's pop this sucker in there. Oh my God, that thing looks amazing. We're gonna wanna let this rest for like 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want the juices to just explode out as we cut it. While we're doing that, we're gonna cook our potatoes. 20 minutes, we wanna take this down to 400. Start. Oh, these look good. Moment of truth. How's it taste? Pop off our strings. Ooh, that's pretty. This just looks phenomenal. I'm gonna cut a little pinwheel right out of the center. Let's try it. That is so tender and so flavorful. Let's try a potato. Ooh, that's a great potato. The beef flavor, that herb butter, all the spices, and it's almost like creamy on the inside, with a little bit of a crust on the outside. Those are perfect. This meal is destined to become a tradition around the Dad Got This family because it is amazing. And if you're looking for an amazing gift for somebody, maybe get them the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. I'll throw a link down in the description if there's any deals going on or special things for the holidays. It'll be down in the description, but this is a really good air fryer. I've been using it for quite a while. I really like it. The fact that you can do a big roast like this in there makes it really, really convenient. Plus, the built-in probe and all the other features, the app control, just make it a fantastic everything air fryer. It does everything really well. If you're enjoying this content, please do the likey subscribe thing. YouTube loves it when you leave a like. I love it when you leave a comment. I do answer just about every comment in my comment section. If you really want to support the channel, consider becoming a member. You get all kinds of benefits like early access to videos and stuff, but if you can't, subscribing would be enough. So, with all that out of the way, I guess there's only one question left to answer. Why does Scrooge like Santa's reindeer so much? Because every buck is dear to him. Yeah, pretty bad. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes, cook an amazing holiday meal, but one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support and rock on. I don't know why I said rock on, but rock on.